Hello. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I will show you a lot of different jobs that you can do online. There are a lot of jobs, with or without experience. From taking surveys, virtual assistant, dropshipping, affiliate and more. I am certified internet affiliate marketer, and I will teach you how to be one. Subscribe, like, comment and share this video. 9 legit ways to make money. Did you know you can actually earn money from pay-to-click ad websites? Yes, it's true. You might not want it to be your only source of income, but you can make some extra cash by doing this. Paid-to-click sites are sites where you join and are paid to view ads. Here are 9 ways to get paid by using click ads. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars sends ads straight to your email and pays you to read them. They are emails about special offers from different merchants. Home Chef, Vistaprint, JustFab, and Hulu Plus are just a few of the companies that use inbox dollars to advertise offers they are attempting with consumers. It only takes a few minutes, and who knows, maybe you'll consider using one of the products or deals yourself. Bucks Incorporated. Bucks Incorporated has over 100,000 members who get paid to click on ads. To see all the ads viewable on a specific day, you click on the View Ad tab. That brings up a ton of advertisements available to make money from. Aowage. Aowage was founded in 2009. Users can make money by doing simple tasks like viewing ads and taking surveys. Aowage's goal is to always be looking for ways for members to make money by surfing the internet. Neobucks. The amount of money users can earn with Neobucks varies by the type of membership they have. The type and quality of the advertisements is also a factor as well. Neobucks doesn't have any daily limits or limits on how much you can earn. The minimum amount paid is $2 on the first cash out. Swagbix. Swagbix has a few different ways to make money, but one of the easiest is by clicking on video ads. The videos are normally around a minute long. Get Paid. Get Paid has been providing users with an extra income since 2005. You earn coins by completing tasks like completing surveys, clicking ads, competing in sweepstakes and winning different contests. Scarlett Clicks. The minimum to cash out with Scarlett Clicks is $2. You will earn up to 1 cent per click with the site. Payments are made via Neteller, Airtm, Skrill, Payeer, Solid TrustPay, and others. Scarlett Clicks has paid out nearly $2 million to their 77,000 members. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is another site that the money-making opportunity isn't from just clicking on ads. You can also complete surveys, download apps, and more. You receive a $5 sign-on bonus just for signing on with them. Clicks. This advertisement allows advertisers to reach thousands of potential customers. Clicks pays users 4 cents per click and up to 4 cents per referral click. Be careful trying to make multiple accounts with Clicks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.